The United Arab Emirates is a federal state founded in 1971, and it consists of 7 sovereign provinces, governing their own territories. The constitution established the legal system, based on 5 pillars as follows: the Supreme Council of Rulers, the President and his Deputy, the Council of Ministers, the National Council, and the Judiciary. The Cabinet propose and draft the legislation before submitting the bill to the Federal National Council, which reviews the bill, and can only propose amendments but cannot initiate a new legislation, seeing its role as a consultative body. Once reviewed by the FNC, the proposed legislation is presented to the President for signature, after being ratified by the Supreme Council, who is the highest authority within the Federation, and comprises the 7 Emirates rulers. On the other hand, the court system is based upon civil law principles, and Islamic jurisprudence, while financial free zones have their own English-speaking courts, modeled on the common law judicial system. Some emirates have their own local independent courts, while the others are part of the Ministry of Justice. The court system is divided into 3 layers: the First Instance Court, the Court of Appeal, and the Court of Cassation. The Court of First Instance has general jurisdiction, and it's divided into 3 sections: civil, criminal, and personal status. The Civil Cases section looks into commercial, labor, and contract litigations, while the Personal Status Court has jurisdiction over family cases, like inheritance, divorce, alimony, and child custody. And lastly, the Criminal Court looks into offenses, like misdemeanors, and felonies cases referred to the court by the public prosecution, who initiates the criminal process, by filing the case, investigating it, and imposing charges on the accused person. Appeal against a court of first instance decision is made to the Intermediate Appellate Court, on factual or legal grounds. If still not happy with the appeal decision, the parties may appeal on points of law alone, to the Court of Cassation, whose decisions are final, and are not subject to appeal. On the other hand, some cases must be heard by the Federal Supreme Court, like state security offenses, the constitutionality of laws, and the interpretation of the Constitution, the hearing of offenses committed by senior officials, and disputes between the 7 Emirates.